Hey, what's up everyone, Babu Chandra here. This is the second wave of the COVID and lockdown day 1. So since I'm at home and my channel name is Been There Done That, I'm not able to do a lot of travel and food videos. I'm doing a 2-year user review experience of my Oneplus 70 phone and the cinematic footage that we have taken recently. One of my friend who is into yoga wanted me to do cinematics for his yoga promo video, which he wants to post it online on Instagram, Facebook or on YouTube. So I just went on with that idea, and then I could have taken with this camera. This is a Canon M50, but then I wanted to try with my OnePlus 70 just to see how it comes. And since I feel it has come really well, you guys decide how it has come and let us know. Thanks. Hope you like the video, the cinematic shots of this, cinematic shot from my OnePlus 70 phone, which I was experimenting. So if you guys liked it, like, share and subscribe. And if you want me to do any such videos in the future, do let me know in the comment below. I'll definitely try something with the OnePlus 70, or if you want me to try something else with the OnePlus 70 which I'm using right now, let me know. See you next time. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you. See ya.